how to set the back tap or double tap to open AssistiveTouch on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then, in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down and then tap on Touch. Now scroll down to the bottom, then tap on Back Tap. From here, you can choose to use double tap or triple tap. I'm going to select double tap, and then we scroll down. In here, tap on Assistive Touch, and that's it. Now, if you double tap at the back of the phone, that will open up Assistive Touch, or you can double tap to switch it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.